welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance. So we loaded up from our last ride, and when I looked, well, sure enough, had a flat front tire. So I thought I could just go out and get another tube. The tire's really not in bad shape, but you know, there could be a thorn in it that I'd pop another tube, and of course it would be my luck that it would be 15 miles from anywhere that I could get a car to. And so I just thought, well, I'll buy a couple of new tubes and go ahead and get a couple tires that I've been wanting to try out anyway. And so we're going to go ahead and see about changing them out today. It is a quick release tire. So we'll go ahead and take that off. We need to have somewhere to set this down. Means I do not have a bike stand. That was easy enough, and I don't know, maybe it'll just, well, there you go. That was easy enough. I don't see anything on the bottom of them that would be damaged by it sitting there for a little bit. And I will have everybody know I'm just a normal guy. I have not changed a bicycle tire in 40 years. Motorcycle tires 20 years ago when I used to ride and race off-road motorcycles. I changed enough tires then that it's like riding a bicycle maybe, that we can go ahead and get this changed out. So we're going to head down to the other shop, and I've got a little more light down there and some air, and we'll see what we come up with. The tires that we bought, these are off of Amazon, and they are Fincci, F-I-N-C-C-I, and it's a foldable tire. I put them out here last night to see about having them unfolded for just a little while. The tubes we bought are these right here. They were not too expensive. They'll cover from 1.75 to 2.3 inch tires, and we got a set of 2 of these tires for I think 58 bucks, so $30 a piece. Not really too bad of a deal. I wanted to try a little bit bigger tires, see about getting a little bit better traction, so we'll see how these go, and yeah, we'll take it from there. pressure up here. We're right at 35 pounds of pressure, which is pretty good. And what we're going to do is go ahead and set the tire back on here. And we'll take it for a little ride and see how it does with the bigger tires. I've been kind of curious about how this was going to pan out anyways. And I want to say we're good to go for a little ride. One thing I noticed traveling, and we traveled probably 450 miles with the bikes on the back, and on the way home we had to stop and cover them up several times. You're kind of creating a sail on the back of the car if you drive too much with them like that, so you don't want to drive like that unless you're really needing to. And my bell ended up coming off probably when I was taking that on and off, so lesson learned. I'll have to be a little bit more cautious with what I'm doing there. So it does not appear that we're losing any speed. It's very stable, although my phone mount's not very stable right now. We're going to have to take a look at that and see if it needs tightened up or what the story is with that. That just seems a little bit on the loose side, and I don't need a phone hitting the ground. We're up in pedal assist 7 out of 9, and we're only pushing out maybe 600 watts. We're running at about 25 miles an hour. We're going up a hill now, and we're still running 25. Well, we're losing a little speed now. 24. So it appears like the speed is, these tires roll okay. They feel okay. They feel pretty stable.
Well, there you go, Internet. Delivered right to your door, $30 tires straight off of Amazon. First impression, they sure get a big thumbs up from here. Hey, if you like this video, hit the big thumbs up on it as well. And if you'd like to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're looking forward to sharing every adventure we have with our Southern e-biking. Until then, God bless, stay safe, and keep them wheels rolling.